Welcome, fellow seekers of knowledge, to PhilosoFusion, where the realms of science and philosophy collide in an awe-inspiring journey through the cosmos. Here at PhilosoFusion, we embark on a quest to unravel the mysteries of the universe, exploring the wonders that lie at the intersection of science and philosophy. Our mission is simple yet profound. We strive to ignite the flames of curiosity, challenge conventional thinking, and foster a community of inquisitive minds. What sets PhilosoFusion apart is our commitment to making complex concepts accessible. Whether we're conducting mind-bending experiments or pondering the deepest questions, each episode is designed to take you on a thought-provoking journey. But PhilosoFusion isn't just about me, it's about us. Your questions, comments, and ideas fuel our explorations. So, don't forget to engage with us down below. If you're ready to dive into the cosmic depths of knowledge, hit that subscribe button and join our community of cosmic explorers. Don't miss out on our weekly mind-expanding content. PhilosoFusion, unraveling the mysteries of science and philosophy. Subscribe for more mind-expanding journeys.